In this tutorial, we will be going over the steps needed to properly calibrate an image and take measurements on a calibrated image. From the image collection screen, you'll click the image that you need to take measurements on. We'll click on our Image Enhancements button. Once up here, you'll notice that it does say Not Calibrated. What we're able to do is, on the left-hand side, there's a pull-out window that gives you your measurement capabilities. You'll need to know a known measurement on the image itself. All intraoral sensors have a specific length or width to their image, or you can use a ball bearing or a periodic file to use as a known measurement. To calibrate the image, we're going to choose the ruler with the question mark. On this particular image, I know my sensor is 36 millimeters long, so I'm going to click the far end of the sensor, drag all the way to the far right. I'm going to try and make my line as straight as possible, and double click on the far end. I'll then put in my correct length, click OK, and now my image is calibrated. From here, we have the ability to go in and do our measurements. The measurement tool is the two different rulers. For a straight line single measurement, you simply click once to start the measurement and double click at the end, and it'll give you a full length measurement. If you want to do a segmented measurement, you again click your measurement tool and you'll single click as you're going through your measurement. And once at the end, you will then again double click. With each measurement you take, there are properties that you can do by simply double-clicking on the measurement itself. You have the ability to make adjustments to it so that it's easier to see, including changing your text color, the size of the text, and the color of the line. You can do that on the main measurement as well as each segmented measurement. Please remember, with 2D X-rays, you'll often get foreshortening or elongation, which will skew your measurements. This is caused by the anatomy not being perpendicular to the sensor. In these cases, clinicians typically will use a smaller known object in the area of interest to help make these measurements and the calibration as accurate as possible. And those are the steps needed to properly calibrate and measure images in XVCapture.